Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to take a picture or photo and make a transparent background on it. This right here is the best, simplest thing. This is easy as falling off a log. Now I'm just showing you where you got to go get it, and you want to click this link right here. Okay, and this is what your program looks like. Now I'm going to open it up. And don't run off and saying, okay, I got it. I got 3 different images here I'm going to show you. It's something you're going to need to know if you're going to be doing this. Some of them you have to do a little bit different. But I reckon I'll start out with this seagull right here first. And you just simply drag and drop your photo in there. And you got to click this, open this image. Seems like they'd know you wanted to open the image, don't it? Okay, now, you see right here, when I hold my mouse over it, it says Magic Wand. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click it here on the inside. And see, we got troubles right off the bat right here. Now, this is what I was showing you. See how it's, the lines is coming in on his eye and side of his face. And you got to turn this down. Okay, look at that. How about that? Alright. Just that, I just moved that just that little bit and it straightened out. Okay? Now that you clicked, I'm gonna hit delete. Alright, look at that. And here's the most important thing of all, which is I reckon is all important. But you wanna go up here and you want to click File, and you want to click Save As. You want to make sure you click Save As. And this, what popped up right here, won't work. You got to go down here and select PNG. See that? Or PNG. PNG is what it is. You got to make sure you do that. And you know, I already got a picture of that on my desktop, so I'm just going to add one letter to it so it won't be talking about replacing it and all that. Okay, then I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to show it to you now. And it's going to do this right here, and it's on auto detect. Just hit that. Alright, now let me show you the picture. Alright, look at that. The same color as my desktop. Let me put it down here in the light. Look at that. The background's the same color as my desktop. Now this is what I use my paint.net for. See this picture right here I got? And you're supposed to have a transparent picture. And you know, you don't want to get too complicated of a picture. Alright, I got another and I'm going to drag and drop in there. And remember about this up here. Remember about that because I couldn't use that picture a while ago if I didn't do that. And I'm going to click the wand again. And I'm going to click it. And see, it's only doing them one at a time because they're not connected. Hey, and I got to do each one of them one at a time. And also, don't forget, once you do the inside, you got to do the outside of this kind of image. You know, you just have to get in there and play with it, you know, you'll learn it. And I was watching footage. What you're doing is you find the delete key on the keyboard, and then there you go. And man, that's how you do it. And this program is free. Okay, there's my picture right there, same color as my background on my computer screen. Alright, I want to show you this right here too. This is I wrote this in cursive. And see, I also done this So I can put this on my video if I want to. And that's just Danny S. Hodges there. But it's done with that ping thing too. Alright everybody, thanks for watching.